G'day Tentworld viewers, this is Deon from the Ferntree Gully store. Now if you love pantries and tables, if you have a look behind me, Zempire make a great range. But the best one I've seen is the Dura Fold Single Pantry. So let's get this out of the bag and have a look at it. It's a really thin profile too, as you can see there in the bag. And this is not only thin and compact, obviously you've got the handle here too, so you don't always have to use that bag if you don't want to, but it's a great addition to keep it scratch free. But we just undo the latches on each side. And then just opens like that. Then you just need to straighten the legs. And then each leg has a slide down lock like that, which keeps it nice and sturdy. And there it is there. So let's open up and have a look inside. So you can roll this, this door back. Just got a couple of Velcro tabs. And then the shelves will be in the bottom. So we just need to put the shelves in place. And the weight capacity of each shelf is 30 kilos. Unlike some pantries, this one's got 3 shelves, which I think makes really good usable space in there. If you turn this around, we've got pockets there, mesh at the back, more pockets on this side. If we turn it up this way, you'll see here it's got 4 feet on the bottom, so if you're on uneven ground, you can adjust it slightly to even it up. It's got a beautiful, beautiful top here too. So the weight of this, 8.4 kilos, and the material is a 600 denier poly Oxford material. And now when you come to the end, it's even easier to pack up. So obviously we've got to put the shelves back down the bottom, and we'll just zip the door across, lift up the locking hinges, and then it's just like that. And it all folds down nice and neat. You've got the side latches. And that's how easy it is. So if you'd like to check these out, come down to one of our store locations across the country or visit us at tentworld.com.au. Thanks for watching and happy camping.